So I'm going to be teaching you guys about rfind here. Let me just clear my terminal quick. Okay, so what rfind does, well, first let's talk about what find does, honestly. So we have x, and then we have xx, right, as our string. So when we print x, we're gonna get xx, and if I were to do print x dot find, what it would do is it would find the first index of x. Oh yeah, I didn't add x into it. So you see, the first index of x is 0. Now if I were to do this next method that I think is pretty cool, is called rfind. What it does is it finds the last index of a particular string. So you see, it got 1 for us. So say x would equal to, I don't know, x x, right? Oh, forgot to put the brackets. I mean, not brackets, parentheses, right? If I were to do find x dot find x, I'd get 0, and if I were to do x dot find rfind, it finds the highest index here, which would be 25. And so that's rfind. I think it's a very important method for you to learn. Yeah. I think in the next video I'm going to be showing you guys about count. Count is pretty important too. But if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section and or shoot me an email.